Welcome to Reviews and Info by Ash. This is an unboxing of Bluetooth AirPods, EarPods. So this is a Bluetooth EarPod of WeCool brand. So if you see, this is being sold in Amazon for a very lesser price. So if you want an earpod for a lesser rate, this is it. You have to buy this one WeCool brand, WeCool mini earpod. So this is the bill, and this is the box in which this earpod is packed and sold. It cost me rupees 700 and I bought it from Amazon. So if you see, this is how the earpods look. Bluetooth earpod, this is how it looks, and it is sold in one particular color, yellow and black. So on the box it is specifications as mentioned what it has. It is all the specifications have been mentioned in this on the box. You can see this. Now we will open the box and see what are the contents it has. So I am just removing it. Yes, there it is. Now this is the warranty card with QR code. You have that one. For 1 year warranty is given. So if you see, the earbuds have been given, additional earbuds, then charging cable, additional earbuds, all that has been given. This is the user manual. Better read the user manual before using this, because you'll get an idea of how to operate it. Then we have this main product. This is the charging box. It's a cute box. So if you see, in this you have to place the earpods and charge it. The box has a 300 mAh battery, and the earpods, each earpod has 50 mAh battery. So you can charge it many times, and it will give you a good backup of 4 hours in a single charge. So it's getting charged now. As you can see, the red light is burning. So this is getting charged. You can charge the box for 1.5 hours, and it will give you a good backup. So this is how the box looks. The WeCool brand. So the WeCool brand supports online the customer support. You can get it from WhatsApp number. So this is how this looks, the AirPod. When you remove it, it will play the sound. So you can just, it has a magnetic field. So once you place the AirPods in the box, it will hold on to it very tightly. It won't fall down. So this is the indication how much of battery is left: 25, 50, 75, 100%. So it will clearly show you. And if you see, this is the whether it is a left or right earpod, that is not mentioned in that. So you have to assume. And I am turning the box upside down. Even then it won't fall down, because it's having magnetic field. So it's holding on to it tightly. So even if you turn the box upside down, the earpods won't come out. So it is made well for rupees 700. This is really worth it. Those who are looking out to buy at a cheaper rate, who wants Bluetooth earpods for a very cheaper rate, this is the best one, I would say, in the market. So you can go ahead and buy WeCool EarPods from Amazon for rupees 700. So that's the plus point, and I am using it for the past 1 day, and I got good amount of backup. Battery backup was really good. I played it for more than 2.5 hours, and the connection was smooth. It was easier to play, easy to use. So if you see, it immediately gets connected, and within 10 meters you can use this one. So it is also sweat resistant, water resistant, so you can wear it and go for a walk or for a jog. You can use it while you're doing exercise, and it will, you just have to place it in your ear, and it will hold on to your ears very well. It won't fall down, so you do not have that fear. And Bluetooth synchronization happens immediately. So this is really a very good one. Those who want to buy it for cheaper rate can go ahead and buy this one from Amazon. I'm not giving the link, I'm just mentioning the name of it. So WeCool EarPods in Amazon, you can search for it and you can buy it. It's really worth it. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching Reviews and Info by Ash. Please like this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel, post your comments, and press the like button.